Closet. I hope you guys are having a great fall, and I'm sure you're all getting ready for Thanksgiving. We're just going to stay at home and have some friends over, so we don't do a lot. We might go maybe take a bike ride or go on the side-by-sides and go out in the desert and take a ride. Not sure yet. But if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video. Thumbs up if you like it. So today I am doing a box that's new to my channel, and it is the LunaBabebox. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for just being loyal to my channel. So I want to say this might have been $39.99 plus shipping. I always forget, but I will leave all the information below and let you know exactly how much it is with the link. So let's get into it. It is a women's lifestyle box. And I think I saw it on somebody's channel, and it looks so good. I'm like, I have to have that box. And I think it was Laughing Without an Accent had this on her channel. She does some great unboxings. So the first thing is Instagram photo contest. Snap a photo of your LunaBabebox, upload it to your Instagram, and follow us at LunaBabe. That's fun. Then thanks for being you. Just a simple card. Oh my God, but it smells so good. And the first thing comes in one of these cute little jewelry bags. And of course, I get this little stuff everywhere. It's like I leave a trail. So if I ever get lost, you'd be able to find me. And I can't open it. So leave below what you guys are doing for Thanksgiving, if you're having family, if you're going out, if you're traveling. And it looks like it's just a bracelet. Boy, the packaging is just amazing. I can't get it out. Did I open it upside down? I don't know. So it's like black beads, so it might have some type of meaning to it, but it's too big. But it is a real nice bracelet. So in the card, it'll probably tell us what we're supposed to do with it. And the next thing has my favorite popcorns on them. And of course, I am dropping these things everywhere. And it looks like it might be a mug. Sorry, is that noise like driving you crazy? Because I know it's driving me crazy. I'm just going to get out my scissors and see if there is an easier way to open it. And then I drop it around. Oh, maybe it's a candle. It seems very heavy for a mug. That must have been what is smelling so terrific. Oh my God, so sorry about that. Well, if you're not awake, you are now. So this is Tuscany Candle, Sandalwood Premium Satin Candle. I know you can't smell it, but it has a 3-wick, and it's a super nice size candle. So that is awesome. Let's see what else is in my little goodie box. Miracle Eye Cream, and then of course there's little writing on there that I could not read. See if I can open it or if it's all sealed up. It's all sealed up. But I love eye creams. I'm using a couple right now, and as soon as I finish those, I will put this next in line. And the way they have this wrapped, it's hard to tell. then we have this, and I don't know what this is. I have to see. I don't think I saw a card with what was in here. So it's just like a guessing game, but I tell you, I'm loving that candle. And this is, oh, it's a sleep mask. And I do have several sleep masks. I'm not gonna open it because I'll probably gift it or put it in a giveaway because I have a ton of sleep masks. But it's soft and fuzzy. I don't know if you can tell, but I don't want to destroy the box. And then we have Star Drops Light Activated Glow Drops. So I'm not sure if this goes in like your foundation or directly on your face, but look at that. Definitely great timing for the holidays. I've never used glow drops. I think we got a big jar and like a boxy charm, but I don't know how to use them. I'd probably have my whole face like in black light or something. So I am looking, oh, there's something else in here. I'm disappointed though because I don't see a card with what's in there. I know some boxes do that where they don't put cards in there, but they really should. And this is, there's a 20% off. Love Your Face. No. Scissor time. The problem when you get some of these new boxes, you just don't know what's in them and you don't even want to guess. There's a little card. And this is Hippie Skin, Hippie Honey Cleansing Daily Scrub. Boy, that was a lot of work for this little scrub. Ooh. Smells great. So, I'm just going to search and see if there is, I mean, the packaging was super nice, but okay, let's rate the box. We got the, oh, a nail lacquer. So this is a nail lacquer. Again, I don't think I'm gonna open it. I get my nails done, but it looks like it's a red. Can you see that? And it's such nice packaging that if I gift it or put it in a giveaway, I don't want to ruin it. So we got this nail lacquer and we got the cleansing scrub and we've got the eye mask and we got the glitter drops, which again I probably won't use, and we got the eye cream, which I know I will use, and we got this little bracelet that was too big, and of course my favorite thing is the candle. Would I get this box again? I don't think so. I have to see. I want to say it was like $29, depending on what the price of the box is, but the only thing I'm probably going to use out of this is maybe the eye cream and the candle. So yeah, I probably won't use it, get it again, but it was fun to open it the first time. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, you guys have an awesome day.